ready. I didn't have anything ready. But I want to thank that man that always makes it happen. Jesus, baby. 2021 was the toughest year of our lives as a family. My father passed away from COVID, and I made a commitment to him in heaven, and my brother Stephen, my entire team, the Kimbrells, Danny Young, Ashley Tarr, that I was going to make an impact, and I was going to remember, and they will know his last name. So thank you guys. God bless you. Love you, baby. Love you so much. Thank you.
Y'all give it up for all of our award winners. Thank you guys.